I'm Bill DeFoy back at the Ventura Expo inside the Four Points Sheraton. We're visiting with Courtney and Debbie from the Ventura Collection. Courtney, let's start with you. Tell us a little bit about what the Ventura Collection is all about.
The Ventura Collection is a new community here. We're built by City Ventures, a new home builder in the area. Single-family homes starting from the low 400,000s. 3 bedrooms to 5 bedrooms, some really beautiful homes in our community.
Excellent. So tell me, Debbie, if people come by your booth here at the Expo, what will they see and what can they register for?
Well, basically, we have set up our computer, and you can go on and check out the website for the Ventura Collection. And then also, we have some little postcards they can take with them, and we're also having a $50 drawing for a gas card.
Wonderful. So all they have to do is stop by in the Ventura Collection. So tell me, where is the collection located?
We're located on Darling and Wells Road in East Ventura, right off the 126 freeway. Convenient access to shopping and the beach even.
And for people that love golf too.
Absolutely, right across from the golf course. Really, really great location for golfers.
Very good. I'm Bill DeFoy at the Ventura Expo for KDTV.com.